Whoa, kids! Did you see that? The construction trucks are waking up! Let's go, kids! We are visiting a real construction site.
Wow! So many machines! Can you guess which one digs the ground?
This is an excavator. It digs big holes in the ground. Ha!
Look, kids! Something big is pushing the dirt!
This is a bulldozer. It pushes dirt and rocks.
Beep, beep! A big truck is coming.
This is a dump truck. It carries heavy sand and stones.
Wow! Something is lifting a giant block.
This is a crane. It lifts very heavy things high.
This is a cement mixer. It mixes concrete.
This is a road roller. It makes roads smooth.
This is a backhoe loader. It digs and lifts materials.
This is a wheel loader. It picks up sand and stones.
Ow, kids! All construction vehicles work together to build our world. Oh no! The construction trucks are waking up again!